Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I show you how to write "kui" in cursive Chinese. Now, let's get started. First, in standard script, "kui" it means loss. "Kui." To write it faster, you can write like this. Like a 2. "Kui." For example, 多亏. Thanks to. Thanks to your help, we can finish the job on time. 多亏了你的帮助，我们才能及时完成工作。多亏，吃亏。To suffer losses, unfortunately. Suffer losses, unfortunately. 吃亏。Next one, 亏本。Means to make a loss. 亏本。亏空 means in debt. 亏空。Last one for today. 亏待 means to treat somebody unfairly. I wonder that the very pride of this Mr. Darcy has not made him just you. 我真不明白，这位达西先生既然这样有自信心，怎么又这样亏待你？亏待。亏 loss 亏多亏 thanks to 吃亏 to suffer losses 亏本 to make a loss 亏空 in debt 亏待 to treat somebody unfairly. Can you make up any other words with the Chinese character 亏? Let me know in a comment below. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.